Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Kindle Cloud Reader login problems, Amazon access errors step by step clearly. To fix Kindle Cloud Reader login problems, begin by checking your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Open your browser settings and find the option for clearing browsing data. Make sure to select both cache and cookies, then confirm the action. Once cleared, restart your browser and attempt to log into the Kindle Cloud Reader again. If you're still experiencing issues, try using a different browser. Sometimes, compatibility issues can prevent successful logins. You can also attempt to access the Kindle Cloud Reader in incognito or private browsing mode. This option can help identify if browser extensions are interfering with the login process. If you're logged in but can't access your books, check if your Amazon account is in good standing. Visit the Amazon account settings and make sure there are no issues or notifications requiring your attention. Another step is to verify your Kindle account settings. Ensure that your Kindle device is registered to the same Amazon account you're trying to access. If necessary, log out and log back into your Amazon account. To do this, visit the Amazon website, navigate to the account settings, and sign out. After logging out, sign back in with your credentials. If all else fails, consider resetting your Amazon password. Sometimes a simple password reset can resolve access issues. If you continue to face problems even after these steps, contact Amazon customer support. They can provide assistance specific to your account and any ongoing service issues. Following these steps should help you resolve your Kindle Cloud Reader login problems effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.